Good morning to the student of 9th class. I again appeared before all of you to take a new topic of lesson 2nd in economics, people as resource. The new topic is educated unemployment in urban areas. Previous classes I was discussed about what is unemployment, different kinds of unemployment, and two types of unemployment which are found in rural areas as discussed as well as seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment means if the season is ripe, the farmers of the countries are introduced in the field. Over the season, they do not work in the field, means the farmers of the countries only 6 and 7 months that they work in agriculture or farming. 3 or 4 months that they take rest and they are unemployed. Disguised unemployment means छिपी हुई बेरोजगारी. If the plot has need 5 persons for working, but they are engaged 8%, 3% are unemployed. If the 3% that they remove from the plot of land, that is not found any differences of production. So 3% are unemployed, that they are called disguised unemployment. Today I will discuss about the educated unemployment. Such type of unemployment are found in urban areas. Many of the people that they have passed matriculation, graduation as well as postgraduate degrees, they do not find the job in any sectors, either primary sector, secondary sector or tertiary sector. Generally they have become the burden over the economy of the country, as well as their manpowers are not being invested in any sector, primary, secondary or tertiary sector, as well as service sectors. So such type of people that are educated unemployment, they consume daily but they do not earn money, so per capita income of the country decreases due to them, as well as educated unemployed person that they do not help to increase the growth rate of economy. According to the book that is given inside them, that unemployment leads to wasted manpower resource. People who are assets for the economy turned into the liabilities, that they became burden over the economy, as well as the people do not have enough money to support their families, means that they do not help to increase in per capita income as well as national income. Inability of educated people who are willingly to work to find the gainful employment implies the great social wastage. Next one is that unemployment trends to increase the economic overload, means such type of population should be need for a countries that they do not become burden over the economy, means the dependence of the unemployment on the working population increases, the quality of life and individual as well as society is adversely affected. Adversely affected means that it takes backward to the economy of the countries. When a family has to live on bare subsistence level, there is a general decline in the health status and rising withdrawal from the school system also. Another one is that unemployment has detrimental impact of the overall growth of the economy. Increase in unemployment is an indicator of a depressed economy. It also wasted the resources. Such type of population should be need for the countries where the resources are used. So overpopulation is not need. It also create the unemployment in the economy. So balanced population is need. So it does not create unemployment in any country of the world, which could have been gainful implied if the people cannot be used as a resources, they naturally appeared as a liability to the economy. Next day, I will discuss about the unemployment rate of the countries. Thank you.